In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a terms and conditions page in GoHighLevel. Having a clear terms and conditions page is really important for your website. It helps set expectations with your visitors, protects your business, and is often required if you're collecting data or selling products and services. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create a dedicated page for your terms and conditions inside GoHighLevel, from finding the right area in your account all the way through to publishing the page. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. This is the main starting area where you can access all the different tools and features. From the Launchpad, look for the section labeled Sites and click on it. This is where all your websites and funnels live. Next, click on Websites. You'll see a list of all the websites you've created in your account. Choose the website where you want to add your terms and conditions page and click on that site to open its settings and pages. Inside the website, find the option to add a new page and click on Add New Page. A window will pop up asking for some basic information. Give your page a clear name, something like Terms and Conditions, so it's easy to recognize later. Then, set the URL path. This is the part that comes after your domain name. For example, Terms and Conditions. Try to keep it short, simple, and professional. Once you've named the page and set the URL, click on Create New Page. GoHighLevel will then ask how you want to build this page. You'll see two options. You can create from a blank page or use an existing template. For a straightforward legal page, starting from a blank page often works best, but choose whatever fits your design style. When the page builder opens, you'll see a panel of elements you can drag onto the page. Find the headline element, click on it, and drag it onto your blank canvas. Click into the headline text and change it to something like Terms and Conditions, so visitors immediately know what the page is about. Under the headline, a small green plus icon will appear. Click that to add another element. This time, drag a paragraph element onto the page. This is where all the actual legal text will go. Click into the new text box and paste your prepared terms and conditions content. Take a moment to check the formatting, make sure paragraphs are readable, and adjust spacing or font sizes if needed so it's easy for visitors to scan. When you're happy with how it looks, click on Save in the page builder. Saving regularly is a good habit so you don't lose any changes. Once everything is finalized and you're ready for people to see the page, click on Publish. After publishing, your terms and conditions page will be live at the URL path you set earlier, and you can link to it from your footer, forms, or checkout pages as needed.